Due to the current pandemic, all outdoor activities were prohibited, but we all aim to promote, invest, and support a cause to help others to louder their voices, especially amidst our fight to pandemic. My advocacy is to promote ideas on how to better understand the importance of sportsmanship, integrity, and camaraderie, as it has been rebuilt and grew up in the midst of COVID-19. The fact that even pandemic, we still actively engage in various sports both indoor and outdoor. Pandemic also made us realize the importance of physical activities that helps us to have a better lifestyle, respect, friendships, equality, integrity, and camaraderie through sports. It serves as the building blocks of fair play which can be experienced and learned both on and off field. We can be strong on our own, but we can be much stronger in a team during this pandemic. We can help hand by hand and uplift one another. To accomplish such deeds, we must support the importance of respect and integrity. Always remember that whenever we act in the spirit of fair play, we contribute to a more peaceful and better world.
Pandemic can stop us from doing what we want, especially playing sports. We have fun doing what we like in all kinds of sports. Thank you everyone. I am Ian M. Lorico, Bachelor of Elementary Education, your candidate number 5 in Mr. and Miss DComC 2021.